We are aware of it. We are aware of it. Operators, whatever possible, right? We learned one thing that is called as simple comparison operators like less than, greater than, equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, those kind of things. Then we went for Boolean operators like and, or, not. Then we went for logical and, logical or, logical not. These operators are very important in order to do the down the line, even our table level, our data frame level, some conditions if we want to do it, these are very useful. And if you see the term called as filter data frame data, that is a use case. Using our operators, we need to filter data frame data. What is data frame is, in regular words, it's called as table. In Oracle table, Teradata table, how it is available? Just table of data. In R language, Python language, Scala languages, table is called as data frame. Rows are equal to observations or samples. I love to understand the word called as sample. One row is nothing but one sample. One row is nothing but one sample. Let's say my information we recorded in one row. Age of Ram is XYZ, weight of Ram is XYZ, something like that we are trying to record it. That is nothing but one sample. Then columns are equal to features or variables or dimensions. I love the word called as features. Down the line, I will be telling one row is equal to sample. Down the line, I will be telling one column is equal to feature. In order to identify the given human being is a male or female, hair length is the one of the best feature. We can say male or female, right? If long hair, we can say female. If short hair, then you can say male. However, that is the only one may not be sufficient to differentiate all the people, because there are male people who love more hair length. There are female people who love short hair length. So I need to take second feature also, maybe height. That also may not be sufficient to separate the males and females. Then we need to go for the weight. Like that, number of features I am going to increase to classify in a given population how many samples are male, how many samples are female, how many samples are male, how many samples are female. So down the line, I would like to refer a table is nothing but what is this? Data frame. And a row is nothing but what is this? Sample. A column is nothing but feature. I am going to refer it. Now, in fact, we are going to learn about how to create a data frame, more information, the pandas lesson, which will be discussed in the level 3 of the training. In the level 3 of the training, we are going to discuss more. Today, just how to read one file we are trying to explain here, that's it. So we are saying as one of the package available known as pandas, and we are providing its alias name as PD. It is useful to do the analysis. It is similar to our SQL language, whatever available. Whatever you can do in SQL language, those all things are possible in pandas. That's what the meaning of this. Now, if you go and try to see PD read CSV, I want to read comma separated values, and that file is available in the location. This is the location it is available. So we are providing entire location we are providing. Okay, we'll try to read this one practically. Once we read it, we are trying to know which country has more than 250 population. I want those countries. Yeah, 250 is a population, maybe in millions kind of thing. Then if you go and try to observe here, I'm able to get only the countries which are having greater than 250 population. We are able to see it. Let us put this one in hands-on. Okay. So we are going to learn here. What is that? Second use case 2. I think actually use case 3 we have to say, because we find the fast marks. We find there is one use case. Second, we find the second class of the marks we find. That is second use case. Third use case is we are trying to learn about filtering data frame. We are learning about it. Filtering data frame we are learning. So first I need to create a data frame, and also if people are aware of it, terminology wise data frame is equal to normal table. I said if I say sample, that is equal to, I said, what is this? One row. If I say feature, that is equal to, I said, what is that? Column. This is what the terminology down the line what I am going to use it. Down the line what I am going to use it. Am I clear? Data frame, then we are going for sample, then we are going for what is this? Feature. We are going to use terminology down the line. Now I want to read here one file which is available in the CSV file format. For that I need to take here one of the package help that is called as pandas. More information about these pandas we are going to learn in the chapter level 3. We are still in the level 1 of the training of data science. Level 3 training, we are going to see about it. Now I am going for df is equal to pd, then read underscore. Now notice how many types of files are supported here. How many types of files are supported? You can go and you can notice we are going to get the CSV, Excel, SAS, what else not. Almost all the things we are going to get it here. It's taking some time. This kernel is busy, it's saying. So it is executing still import pandas. Okay, now it is executed. Yeah, now you can see here what is this? CSV file, Excel file, what else not? Almost all the things it supports. Almost all the things it supports. Time being, we are going for what is this? CSV, and CSV is expecting where is our file? Where is our file? The path you have to provide it. In my case, I have the file. The file is available in the lab data Python folder. It is available. Let me take this path, whatever I have. Then I am trying to put it here inside the double quotes. And the name of the file is available here, that is known as bricks file. This is what the bricks.csv I have it. Let me take the file name also. Then I am trying to push here at the end. I am trying to provide here slash. Then we are writing here bricks.csv. However, I want to run this one. It is throwing here error, right? What is the error it is throwing? Slash is actually treated as a escape character. Slash is treated as a escape character. Because of that one, as it is an escape character, it's showing here problem. Okay, how to overcome this problem then? We can overcome this problem by replacing whatever we have here. By replacing whatever we have, slash, the slash, we are trying to replace with double slash, we are trying to replace here. I am trying to replace here, what is this? Double slash, I am trying to replace it. That means what? Escaping the escape character. Escaping the escape character. If I click on the replace, now if you execute it, sorry, I think I pressed it 2 times. So let's go for 4 slashes and say as replace now. Replace now, we got it. Now if you go and try to execute this one, we'll able to see df is executed and we are able to get the data. Df is equal to, we are getting the data. This is the data. If you don't like the double slash, then alternative to this double slash is we can use what slashes we have here, forward slashes or backward slashes? Backward slashes. Those backward slashes replace with forward slash. Replace with forward slash. Forward slash is not a escape character. That is the reason it works as expected. If I write like that, then if I am trying to execute it, then still it is going to work as expected. It's working. Are you clear? And you know the data frame has row label as well as column label. Row labels automatically it is using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. It's generating for you. If you don't like that one, then you can go here. Then you can go here, and we are going to replace that one. We're going to replace that one. How to replace it? We'll try to meet it within a 1 minute. First, try to read this file. First, read this file.